Hi guys, so we're going to be, let me just, I'll put the alcohol in there so I can't clean my hands. So let's clean my hands. Epicness. Let's put the alcohol in there because we need that. And let's put our scalpel and our very clean needle in there. Now, I'm going to be taking this piece of chicken of the woods, which is as dry as a nun's toenail. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this, I'm going to be putting it into this one and this one. I've already put a chicken of the woods spore, just one spore, into this test tube with honey medium in there. So I'm going to be putting it into this one, and I might put a basically a seed with lion's mane mycelium on there. I might put that in there just to see how it goes. As you can see on my still air box, I've sewn some sleeves out of an airproof or airtight material, and then I can literally just put my hands in and out that way, and it keeps the air from going in and out. So there we are. So let's go from here. So what I'm going to do is my knife, it's very clean, as you can see, dripping with alcohol. It's a bit too much, so we'll wipe some off on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut into this piece. Let's move those over a minute. I'm going to cut into this piece here, into the base there, like that. I'm going to expose this. And what I'm going to do is take the needle. Oops. Oh, they lock apparently. So as you can see, again the needle's dripping as well. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to twist it into there. And then you can see the needle is full of. You see there. So what I'm going to do is take this one, open that. I didn't think about this, did I? I didn't think about this at all. So what I should have done is put some air in it first, and then squeeze that out there like that, look, see? And then you've got the piece of mushroom in there, and it'll grow from there, hopefully. So what we'll do is, again, we'll put some air in. Let's find our piece there. Oh, sugar. Do we have some in there? Yes, we do. Is it coming? No. So close that back up. Don't want any contamination. Let's take this off. Put that in there. Let's try again. There. Where is it? There, right in the bottom, look. Put that there. So we have two chicken of the woods, which, what's the name of it? Well, I've got both chicken of the woods here anyway. That's the brownish one, and then that's the sulphurous one. The names will come up as I'm talking because I'm pretty good like that. I'm not. It's just called editing. So what we're going to do is put this away. Don't need that anymore right now. I'm going to put this piece of chicken of the woods, it's rock hard, over here, and get out our lion's mane spawn. Oh yeah, I've got an open cut on my bottom of my little finger on my left hand, making the lids for these bad boys yesterday. This one, lion's mane, we're going to get the lion's mane bag here, which is actually drenched in alcohol. I've already done that. I'm going to choose a nice seed in there that's got a lot of lion's mane on it. We'll take that one because I'm greedy. So we'll open that. We'll use the scalpel. We'll put that on the end of the scalpel like so. And add this into here like so. And bam. Let's see if we can grow some liquid culture from this. So there you have it. We have our, let's put those out of the way. Get all the air out. Seal the bag back up. It's really hard to do when it's covered in alcohol, to be fair. But you've got to keep everything sterile. Oh. So let's put the, oh my goodness, he says keep everything sterile, but everything keeps coming undone or unglued or whatever. Oh, because they all interlock. Idiot. One day, let's put that back on there. To be honest, this is quite hard working in a box. You can't see perfectly, it's all misty as you can tell. So there, so the tool's away. So there we have the chicken of the woods, brown one, which is called, and then we have these two, the chicken of the woods, which is called something sulphurous, because it's so orange and yellow, and sulphur is orange and yellow. And there we have our lion's mane. Now this strain of lion's mane itself is really aggressive. I came down, actually bought this one off eBay, I think. When I came down, 2 days after, it had literally taken over everything. So yeah, really, really good. These are now safe to come out of here. Everything else is safe as well. So yeah, we'll give you one last look at the still air box. Which is there. Yeah. So hope you like it, guys. Hope this helps. If anyone wants to get into mushroom cultivating or just growing it for yourselves. Yeah, love, peace and health, guys. See you on the flip side.